this is Thomas, and today we will be making maple shortbread bars. These are really good, and they have a maple filling with pecans on top and a shortbread base. To start, you will measure half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, and a pinch of salt into a medium bowl. Then use a pastry blender, or if you don't have one, a whisk, and you're going to stir that all up. Then you're going to add 2 sticks of butter. I've cut this into really small pieces, so I've quartered it and then cut it like this into pieces about that size. And you're going to add that in, and you're going to kind of press it into that. And you're going to do that until it's like pea-sized butter chunks. Okay, so now that it's gotten pretty fine, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to take a 9x13 inch pan and a sheet of parchment paper. These parchment paper sheets are really great because, especially with 9x13 inch pans, because they fit pretty perfectly in the pan and you don't have to add all this other stuff. So then you're going to dump in your mixture and you're going to press it into the pan with your hand. Then you're going to bake that at 350 for about 15 minutes. While your shortbread is cooling, you're going to need to combine your other ingredients. You are going to need 1.5 cups of brown sugar. You're also going to need 2/3 of a cup of real maple syrup. It can't be fake stuff or else it'll taste gross. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which I'm actually measuring out, a pinch of salt, and then you're going to whisk that up. And you're going to pour that into your crust. And you're just going to make sure that gets all over there. Okay, now you're gonna chop up your pecans, just like this. And if you're allergic to pecans, you can just leave them out and it'll still taste good. So you don't need a particular amount, just however many you want. If you do want to know how many you'll need, it's probably about 1 to 2 cups. So that's pretty good. And now you're just gonna sprinkle them all over the top. Pretty good. You can do more if you want more, but this is about how many I normally do. And now you're going to put that back in the oven for about half an hour. I'll be back tomorrow morning to test that. Okay, so now that you've let your dessert cool for as long as you needed to, you're going to first take it out of the pan. Now, since you use maple syrup in this dessert, it's going to be pretty hard to get out of this pan, so you're really going to have to try to press it. Even after you do that, it's not going to come out. You're going to pull, but then the parchment paper always rips, so there might be a couple cracks when you get this out. So you just have to kind of go for it. So now you just want to take off these ends because they don't look great, and these are really delicious. I'm not going to eat them right now because I just got up. Okay, now you're just going to cut it into pieces however big you want it. Okay, now you're going to put all of your bars wherever you want them, and you can eat them. That's pretty much it. Goodbye, see you next time.